Yoga is something that I accidentally fell into. It gives me peace. It brings me serenity, something that's very needed in our profession. People are coming to you with their problems. I use yoga to gain perspective and to just understand what it is that I can control. Boxing is the opposite of that. I got into boxing because I wanted to be able to train myself to have reflexes. If somebody was to surprise attack me, I would call on every cell in my being to react, to save me and protect me. And I do that for my clients. To be ready for counter punches and to be ready for attacks, boxing does that for me. Yoga brings me clarity. At the same time, boxing brings me strength. When you put those two together, you get an attorney who's really fighting the fight. Family law wasn't something that I initially started in. I handle immigration, I handle bankruptcy, but people kept calling me for divorce, domestic violence restraining orders, child support, child custody issues. My job is to figure out how do we get from darkness to light.
I was going through a divorce. I didn't know what the process would be or how anyone could help me to prepare for the battle that was ahead. My biggest fear through the divorce process was that my children's best interests weren't going to be met. I worked at a bank at the time, and Miss Diaz was actually a client. She seemed very approachable and kind of down to earth, so I did reach out to her. There are a lot of people that you meet that really want to make this world a better place. Very, very few are doing things to actually do that. She just has a lot of passion for what she does, and you could feel that when you are with her, and she'll fight tooth and nail for you. She's a wonderful attorney, a wonderful person, and I'm very fortunate and honored to say that I know her.
As an immigrant, as a woman of color, growing up with difficulties, I was on the outside and I could see what I wanted. I'm trying to make a better world for my son. I'm trying to make a better world for my community. So I give people, through my profession, access. Access to justice, access to the court system, access to a better life. If you are staying up late at night trying to figure out where to go, what to do, come see me.